How much should you really spend on a submersible well pump? I mean, you've got options from $130 to nearly $300, but does the higher price actually mean better performance? Or are you just paying for a brand name? The truth is, most pumps look the same on the surface, but the real differences show up after months of use. Product number 1, VEVOR 1 HP 115V Deep Well Pump. Let's start with the VEVOR 1 HP 115V model. This thing caught my eye because it's priced under $130, which is surprisingly affordable for a stainless steel, IP68 rated pump. It's compact, weighs 25 pounds, and comes with a 33-foot cord, perfect if you're not drilling super deep. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 37 gallons per minute and can push water up to 207 feet high. That's enough to supply a 3-4 bedroom house with steady flow, even during peak usage. The 6-stage thermoplastic impellers are designed to handle sediment better than cheaper plastic versions, and the built-in check valve prevents backflow, something that can ruin your system over time. Plus, the copper motor has thermal protection, so it shuts off if it overheats. No control box needed, which simplifies installation. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed installation instructions, especially for first-time users. Here's the thing though, if you've installed a pump before, you'll be fine. But if you're a total beginner, you might need to watch a few tutorials or call an electrician. Also, this is a 115V model, so make sure your power supply matches. It won't work on 230V. This is perfect for you if you have a shallow to mid-depth well under 200 feet and need consistent water for home or light irrigation. Skip this one if you're running a large farm or need high-pressure output for multiple zones. For the price, it's a solid entry-level option that won't leave you high and dry. Product number 2, VEVOR 1 HP 230V Deep Well Pump. Now, if the 115V version's power limitation worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Same brand, same design, but built for 230V. The VEVOR 1 HP 230V model costs about $140, so just a bit more, but it's built for higher voltage systems commonly found in rural or industrial setups. If you want the same reliability as the 115V model, but with better compatibility for heavy-duty wiring, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 230V systems deliver more power efficiently, which means less voltage drop over long wire runs. A real issue if your well is far from the breaker box. The stainless steel body and IP68 rating mean it's built to last 8–10 years underwater, and the copper motor with thermal protection adds peace of mind. It also includes a built-in check valve and filter mesh, so you're protected from debris and backflow. Now, some users mention the cord length, 33 feet, might not be enough for deeper wells. Here's the thing though, you can always extend the cable with proper waterproof connectors, but that adds cost and complexity. Also, like the 115V version, there's no control box, which is great for simplicity but means you can't add advanced monitoring later. This is perfect for you if you're on a 230V system and want a no-frills, durable pump for home or light commercial use. Skip this one if you need more than 1 HP or have a very deep well. It's a smart upgrade if voltage compatibility was holding you back. Product number 3, Hallmark 1 HP 230V Industrial Pump. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious users, the Hallmark 1 HP 230V pump. At $204, it's noticeably pricier, but it's built like a tank. This isn't just a home pump, it's industrial grade, yet still great for residential use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 33 GPM and 207 feet of head, slightly less flow than the VEVOR, but the build quality is on another level. The entire body is solid stainless steel, and it uses heavy-duty thermoplastic discharge parts that resist cracking. The best part, it has a built-in capacitor start and does not require a control box. That means fewer parts to fail and easier installation. It's also designed for long life. Hallmark is known for durability in harsh conditions. Now, some people complained about the weight, 27 pounds, making it harder to lower into tight wells. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from thicker materials and better construction. It's not a flaw, just a trade-off for strength. Also, it only comes with basic documentation, so DIYers might need to do a bit of research. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, long-lasting pump for a deep well or high-use environment. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional water. For reliability over years, this one stands out. Product number 4, Hallmark 2 HP 230V High Power Pump. Now, if the 1 HP models felt underpowered for your needs, this next one takes performance to the next level. The Hallmark 2 HP 230V pump costs $281, but it's built for serious water demands. With 35 GPM and a massive 400-foot head, this thing can pull water from deep wells and push it to multiple outlets at once. If you have a large property, multiple buildings, or high irrigation needs, this is the beast you've been looking for. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 2 HP means double the power, and 400 feet of head lets you draw from much deeper wells, ideal if your water table drops in summer. It runs on 230V and draws 10.3 amps, so you'll need proper wiring, but the performance justifies it. The stainless steel construction ensures it won't corrode, and like the 1 HP model, it doesn't need a control box, just plug and go. Now, some users noted the price, nearly $300, is steep for casual users. Here's the thing though, this isn't for weekend gardeners. It's for people who depend on their well daily. Also, at 45 inches long, it won't fit in narrow casings. You need at least a 4-inch well. This is perfect for you if you have a deep well, high water demand, or run a small farm. Skip this one if you only need water for a single home. When performance matters, this pump delivers. Product number 5, VVOR 0.5 HP 115V Compact Pump. Finally, if you're on a budget or have a shallow well, the VVOR 0.5 HP 115V model might be your best bet. At $130, it's one of the most affordable stainless steel pumps out there. It's smaller, lighter at 21 pounds, and ideal for light-duty use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 28 GPM and 167 feet of head, enough for a small home or irrigation system. The 5-stage impellers are efficient for low-power use, and it includes the same stainless steel build, IP68 rating, and thermal protection as the bigger VVOR models. The built-in controller is a nice touch, no extra box needed. Now, some people expected more power for the price. Here's the thing though, 0.5 HP is limited by design. It's not meant for heavy use. Also, the 33-foot cord might require an extension for deeper installations. This is perfect for you if you have a shallow well and low water needs. Skip this one if you're running a household full-time. For cabins or light use, it's a great value. So which one should you pick? The VVOR 0.5 HP is great for cabins. The 1 HP models offer solid home performance. Hallmark's 1 HP is built like a tank, and the 2 HP is for serious demand. Price doesn't always mean quality, but matching the right pump to your well depth and usage does. Pick the one that fits your needs, not just your budget.